Hi everyone, it's winter, and winter indicates to try something colorful activities such as gardening. So, why don't you try gardening this winter? If you have some pots in your balcony, do try some flowers to make your garden colorful. Yes, your green ornamental plants are good, but why not try some colors in your garden? So, in winter season flowers that you see during March are normally sown in the month of October, November. So these, when you grow these flowers with seeds, you have to take care that you have to sow them properly. Depth of seed is important. Then soil mix should be in good condition. Should not be compact because these seasonal flowers are sensitive. So you can see what kind of flowers you can grow. Common ones are pansy, monkey flower, petunia. This is dog flower, antirinum, dahlia. We love dahlias in our pots or whenever we see them in any form of garden. So dahlias always make any form of garden truly colorful. Then you can choose other flowers such as aster, dianthus, and many more. When you sow this sunflower, there are many variants in sunflower. One is the common sunflower which we see and consume. You can go with marigold. Marigold is a good option during winters. Guldadi, you have to remove faded flowers in this season and allow new to come. Then we have gazanias. Gazanias give a different look